Changing the language in the Yahoo Mail app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Yahoo Mail app. Launch the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, located in the upper corner of the app. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu option. Step 3. Select Language Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Language option. This may be listed under a section labeled General or Preferences. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the options and select the language you wish to use for the app interface. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, make sure to save your changes. This may require you to exit the settings or tap the Save button, depending on your device. Once you have completed these steps, the Yahoo Mail app will display in your chosen language. If you need to change it again in the future, simply repeat the process.